Want to block someone on Snapchat, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To block someone on Snapchat, open the app and go to your Chats tab. Tap the Bitmoji or profile photo for the person you want to block. If you don't have an existing chat with them, you can tap the search button and type in their name in the search bar to find them. Once you've opened their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Manage Friendship. Then select Block. Tap Block to confirm. That's all it takes to block someone on Snapchat. Want to know if someone else has blocked you on Snapchat? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.